The Yes Welder Part 2, a little bit of review. Hey, this is 8 months down the road, so we have 8 months of experience with this thing. We want to give you a quick pro and con list. I'm going to bounce back and forth between them though, so I will get this over with quickly for you guys. I don't want to take up a lot of your time. So, in the video right here, you'll see he is messing with the feed and the stinger. Okay, that's our biggest problem with the Yes Welder, is constant issues with the stinger getting jammed up, with the feed not coming out. The one way we deal with this is the way we hold the cable. We hold the gun in our hand and wrap the cable up around our shoulder. Usually you have to prop it up, and we usually get a good run that way. It's not 100%, but it's the best way to go about it. So what we're doing now is building a box that holds batteries for a big piece of machinery. A lot of welding on it. I think we ran 6 hours on this straight. Positive here, it did not overheat. We really thought we would do that to it. It held its own. It did great. We're kind of impressed with it and kind of let down at the same time, if that makes any sense. So let me tell you why. The positive, I feel, of course, the machine's lightweight. It's one of the cheapest 200 amps you're going to get, and it's perfect for beginning welders, newbie welders that don't really understand the settings, that could just turn it on. It kind of goes with its own little settings, you know. I believe it would be a must-have in a home or garage for personal use. Absolutely. Now let's jump right into the cons here. Cons will definitely be our durability. When we talk about the stinger and the wire feed again, you know, it has a lot of issues, but we also had a problem with burning the wire into the tip inside. The tip actually comes out above the ring, so we actually had to grind the tip back, and it's done a lot better for us since then. But before, we're having a lot of problems getting it, you know, getting the wire melted down inside the tip. But since we ground it out and filed it down, it's been doing a lot better. No fine adjustments either. So any guys that are welders, they want to be able to fine tune the machine to be able to weld for them. And this machine, you kind of have to weld for the welder. There's really no fine tune adjustments. You set the voltage or whatever, and it kind of does the feed and everything. So again, that's really going to hurt people that are really advanced and know what they're doing, and there's this type of weld they want to do. This really hinders them from doing that. I mean, we are fast forwarding it through here, and you can see him pause quite a bit in the video. You know, pause, wrap the thing around his shoulder. Here he is messing with it again, holding it up and over. There you go. That's just the way to get it to work properly. We've struggled with it quite a bit, and over the 8 months, it's continually the same. You know, we haven't overheated it. It's ran for 6 to 8 hours. It's done a good job when we needed it to, but it does cost us a lot of time when it comes to stopping, and you know, that's really not great for a business, but at home use, I would use this all day.